My new business has helped improve my life by giving me an opportunity to go out into the community and meet people. It's been very rewarding, as well as to be appreciated. People were very thankful about the jobs I've been able to complete, and that's been really nice too. And so, as far as financials go, I'm averaging a little over $500 a week, which I'm very happy with since having just started at the beginning of July. I'm actually getting just as many phone calls and work as I can handle right now, being that I'm in the new phase and learning phase of the new business. And Harry is responsive to emails, phone calls, and texts. So he has been very supportive. I really appreciate that. It's helped add to my confidence overall and given me a real boost in my ability to start up here in the beginning, which, again, is just a lot of learning. So I appreciate that.